Now, before we dive into the details, I want to clarify something because I am not in the business of advocating for handouts or encouraging dependency on other people. Not at all. Rather, I believe in the value of hard and smart work and self-sufficiency. That being said, there are unique situations, yes, where individuals will find themselves in a financial bind, yes, and as such, they need financial support to manage the situation that they are in. Yes, I know some people are born into poverty, and I can relate because I might have been willing to take some free money if I were in their situation. So I'm not going to judge. No judgment zone here. Yes, some people need money for their hospital bills, and no matter how much they work, they are unable to pay that bill. And you know what? I'm also of the view that if you can figure out a way to use people's money legitimately to make money, to better yourself, I'm in for it, so long as it's legitimate. And that's why I've decided to do this video. And in today's video, we're going to explore 16 websites where rich or kind people literally give away free money. Yes, with absolutely no strings attached. And guys, if this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. One good thing about these platforms is that they cover a wide range of financial needs, which includes medical needs, student loans. Yes, they assist with living expenses. They assist with paying your rent, mortgage, even taking a vacation. Yes, taking vacation and buying groceries. If you can't afford to buy your groceries or even support your business ideas, I'm telling you, there are foreign websites where you'll be able to get money from either rich or kind people. And one of the websites is called beggingmoney.com. Yes, as the name suggests, beggingmoney.com. Beggingmoney.com is a platform where individuals can create personal pages and explain their financial needs or their courses, and it will allow them, yes, it will allow them to directly ask other people in the general public for financial help. Now, one example is help with bills. They can ask you, why do you need this money? You can say you're a single mom that desperately needs money with bills, that your husband probably just left you. You don't have to lie. Please tell them the real situation of things. The truth will always set you free. So you don't have to go there and lie. I'm not encouraging being lazy, like I said earlier. So if you don't need the money, you don't have to go to this website. So go ahead and create a personal page for yourself. Describe honestly your financial situation right now. Now, the second website that I want to share with you guys where you can get free money from either rich or kind people is Indiegogo. Yes, I'm not sure about the pronunciation, but don't worry, I'm going to put the link in the description as well. It's a popular crowdfunding platform that enables entrepreneurs to bring their ideas to life. It caters for a variety of projects, and they range from innovative, tech-related projects to a creative products that you may have a desire to launch right now or maybe later. The next platform on our list is called Fundly. Yes, you have people asking for disaster relief help, for memorials, help for funerals, for clubs, communities, social and educational needs. They are also pitched in this forum. Yes, it's a forum where rich or kind people will be able to contribute to your cost to start a campaign. And then you have to create an account when you get on their website. Describe honestly in your own, in details, your costs or your projects that you set a fundraising for, as well as the budget, and automatically donors will be able to see it. Yes, people who visit the platform, and you can also share it with your wider network so that you can enhance the chances of you getting public support. Guys, what can be easier than that? Now, another website I want to introduce you guys to is justgiving.com. Yes, justgiving.com is a global online social platform that is focused on giving. Yes, it serves multiple purposes like many of the ones that I've shared, and it ranges from fundraisings for charities to supporting personal causes. On their website, you will see that people are asking for help with the recent earthquake in Turkey. They are looking for relief, and there are so many other people here who are looking to raise money to run half marathons or even raising money to buy a car or a special event. So whether you're an artist, a musician, a writer, a content creator, guys, guess what? Patreon also offers a way to monetize your work and receive ongoing support from your audience. To begin on Patreon, it is super easy, very simple. Visit the website patreon.com, create a profile with all the offerings that that you're willing to give for what you're going to ensure. Now, make sure that you're creating valuable content. Carefully define your membership tiers and the rewards that are associated with each, and start building a community of patrons. Now, there's another one. It's called Go Get Funding. GoGetFunding.com allows you to raise funds for personal plans, for projects, for events, or even personal courses. This platform has a variety of fundraising campaigns, as you can see here, from their homepage, from medical and healing to getting people to fund your travel as a volunteer to exotic places. You will find people who are wealthy, people who are rich, people who are kind, people who are willing to fund the different courses on this particular website. To get started, simply create a fundraising page, go ahead and share your story and set a financial goal, and go ahead and also promote it within your network and beyond. Now, this is super, super easy. Guys, the next website is called biglist.com. Yes. Biglist is a free platform where individuals can ask for donations online. Simply put, it provides a space for people to fulfill needs like food, clothing, shelter, and education. These are three of the basic needs for as a human being. People who are struggling or who have come up, who have come on hard times may find this as a good website, to plead your cause. And if you can have wealthy or kind people to contribute to your cause and get started, all you need to do is create a post that describes your situation on the website and specify the assistance that you require, because sometimes that assistance that you need may be in kind, which means you may not need money. You may just need cash. Yes, you may, instead of asking for $100, $100 in cash, you can ask them to buy your groceries for you. And somebody might be willing to donate some groceries to you on a regular basis or even in a one-off situation. With this particular platform, it doesn't necessarily have to be in cash. They also provide a space for people to ask for help, from an educational perspective. Yes. The next website on my list here is called Fundable. Yes, you get access to free money from wealthy people, from rich people, from kind people. This is a crowdfunding platform tailored to small businesses, to startups, and even to large enterprises. It allows entrepreneurs or hustlers to raise funds from both accredited investors and customers who want to pre-order new products or services. So let's assume that I came up with an idea to invent hair care products, right? And then with these hair care products, you know for sure that it has worked. It's been proven to work. So yes, what you need to do is go ahead and, pitch your idea with them. I'm telling you, go ahead and pitch your idea with them. And with this invention, you can put it out on this platform and you will have investors or potential customers contributing to what you want to do with your business. And I might encourage you to give them some of your products as a sample. If it's a customer or an investor, you can give them maybe about 20 of your products. Or, part of the profit that you make, you can even negotiate with them on a profit sharing basis. That way you have people that are willing to pump into your business idea. After all you have is just an idea. You don't have the funds to actually store inventory or to fulfill large quantity of orders. So guys, there are still many more I'm going to be sharing with you. I don't want this video to be too long. As always, you guys know I like to keep it really short on this channel. In my next video, I'm going to continue with 16 ways to get money. Yes, websites where rich or kind people literally give away free money. So guys, if you're new to this channel, by all means, go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you. I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? In case you're wondering, what is this? This is my mannequin. I'm also a fashion designer. So that is the full face of my mannequin. So if you're new to this channel, introduce yourselves. I am a fashion designer. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer on this channel. You know how I do it. It's all about how to make money. Make sure that you join the family, subscribe to my channel, join my Patreon community, and also let's take our finances to the next level. So besties, if you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. I'm also doing the giveaway of $100. All you need to do is add 50 people to my Telegram community. Find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Add 50 people. Let me know how many people you added in the comments. And yes, you're on your way to get $100 cash gifts from me. All right, guys, take care of yourselves, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.